Man, when are we gonna have a visitor? Shut your mouth or else I'm gonna boomerang you.
Okay, fine. Orange bird trying to find the Angry Birds. Oh, where is it? This thing they gave me, it's really helpful, but oh look, someone.
What do you want?
I want to look for the Angry Birds. The one that always destroys and has eggs, blah blah blah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, let me just take it. Oh yeah, if you see my brother, he's huger than me. Just tell him Angry Birds too. Oh, I never know. Okay, whatever. Let's just go. Okay. Oh, there's I think one of them. Orange bird.
Redbird?
No, I didn't recognize your redbird. Yeah, me too. But wow, I'm so happy you came. We need to talk in our basement right now. Here, let me take that. White bird.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, here, come on. Let's go. At the basement for the Angry Bird. I know it's kind of damaged here, but it's the only place we can go. So, sit here, please. I'll be here. You know, this place is huger than we know here. So, I need to talk with you and your brother when he comes. Could you contact Whitebird, the MP3 tractor? Thank you. You may leave. Thank you. Okay. So, contact your brother right now. A big brother of Orange Bird. Ding! Oh look, I got a contact. To come to Angry Birds. Okay, why not? Let's close that. I don't know where their house is. Like, really, I don't know where they live. Oh, hey.
I suspect you're the big brother of Orange Bird. And do you need the Angry Birds?
Yeah, please.
They're right in front of you.
Do. Oh, okay. So how you doing, guys? I'm really excited to be here for you guys. Oh, you do know my little brother can explode, but I can? And I can destroy the whole world. Excellent! Good job, Mustachio. Go get a candy. Yes, I get a candy. Oh, it's nice to be meeting you. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, just go.
Yeah. So where is he? It's 10 hours.
Well,
he's ding dum 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 ding dum 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 ding. Hello, brother. Where are you? What? The Angry Birds aren't green. Oh my gosh, we're in big, deep hamburgers. Oh my god, brother, please come back. You lose you. And Redbird really wants you and he's gonna kill you for that. Those are piggies. The ones that destroy us. I think so. Yeah, they are. And we need you to come and help. Still, I know the way back. Let me just think of my flashback. Bye. Flashback for the little Angry Birds of Orange. Okay. So okay. Oh, I just don't know. Oh, hey. Where is the Angry Birds? Oh, they're right there. Yeah. Yeah, bye. Okay. Oh, if you see a big orange bird, please tell him, go to the Angry Birds right there. Whatever. Okay, bye. A red bird, a little orange bird. Okay, so I remembered everything. So he said that what's wrong? Just say it. He said that
The Angry
Birds are green and they weren't the actual Angry Bird, not even Green Bird, the one that's annoying. I heard that. Sorry, but we need a plan, Mr. Redbird. Okay, fine. Since I don't want to be so angry about you because you're more powerful. Actually, not that powerful. Yeah, I know that. Everyone says that and I get used to it. Okay. So the first thing you need to do, you got your flashback already? Yes. You gonna go again, redo your flashback, but not on your head. And yeah, there. So, let me just give you a little bit of help. I'll go back to my place. Okay. There. Okay. Yeah, I need this. Okay, good job. Okay, so yeah, there they are. He says dumb. They're the green ones. Where's my... Oh my god, he's right there. We have to do something. Oh yeah, okay. Wait, ready? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. To be